Hey guys, welcome back. This is Aya. This video I'd like to tell you guys more information about the EVE46950 lithium-ion battery. In my previous video, I introduced for you guys the advantage of this battery cell, and some of you guys asked what is this battery used for. So this video I will tell more about it. This is called 46950 lithium-ion battery. The material is NMC. The voltage range is from the 2.8 to 4.2 volts. The biggest advantage that is it is used the same technology as the Tesla 4690 designs. Yes, it is the tapless technology. Why is called that? Because the positive and the negative in the same side. Yes, this is the positive and the aluminum case is the negative. So when you to connect the battery cell, you only is needed to connect the positive to the negative. It is no need to connect by the other side to this side. Due to the positive and the negative is in the same side, then the internal resistance for this battery cell is lower compared to the similar capacity of the lithium-ion battery of in different shape. It is the new design, so the energy density, the discharge current can make as extremely high. The energy density for this type of cell can reach 290 watt-hour per kilogram. It is the highest energy density in the market at present. And for the discharge current, the peak discharge can reach 6 series, which means this battery cell can support for 189 amperes for discharge current. So for this type of battery, what can be used for? Some of customers, they want to build the power bank flashlight to use one cell to make the power bank. Yes, this is our customer from the China market. They bought the battery cell from us and to make the power bank. Yes, this is the power bank. One cell can make the power bank. You can see it is very convenient. Just use one cell and add a aluminum case and to add a BMS, to add a small BMS, then you can get a power bank. This power bank can contain 32 ampere hour and the cost is only this. So why not to buy a battery cell from us to make a power bank? Yes, this is a very good choice to make the business on the power bank. Except that it is also can use for the electric bike, electric scooter. For example, most of customers, they want to build the 48 volt, 60 volt, 72 volt electric bike battery. We can support the customized business for you guys. And I will show you guys about our customized design for the 72 voltage, 32 ampere hour lithium battery pack of the semi-assemble for you guys reference. Okay, follow my video to see the details. This is our customized design for 72 voltage, 32 ampere hour. And let's to see how it's to assemble. There you need to use 20 pieces of the 4695 cylindrical cell. Due to the special design, the positive is here and the negative is here. When you assemble your battery pack, you just need to put the cells inside the frame. This frame is we customized for our customer, and you can see here is this way, and also there will have the bus bar for the laser welding. For the laser welding, you can see the previous video about it. Yes, this is very And when you receive this semi-assembled battery pack, there only you need to add the BMS and the case. Then you can use for your electric bike, electric scooter. Different size, different voltage, all available. We can customize the semi-assembled battery pack for you guys if you have the needs. Actually, in my opinion, for this 4695 lithium-ion battery, it is the best time to buy now because we have large stock from EVE and it didn't to spread out all over the world. And some of guys, they still didn't reaction for the market. Now it's the best time to buy by the price. The price is extremely cost-effective compared to the similar capacity of lithium-ion battery. Yes, so you can buy a battery cell only cost $9.9. You can enjoy the same quality as the Tesla lithium-ion battery. Why not to try? So if you have the investor plan for lithium-ion battery, this one will be your best choice. And now in our factory, we can offer the grade A and grade B different quality for you guys. But in my opinion, the A grade will be the best choice because the B grade is only a little difference price between them. So why not to try the A grade with the $99? Okay, if you want to know more details about this cell, leave us your message. And thank you for you guys watching the video. See you next time. Bye bye.